Assalamualaikum. This is Dr. Namra Ahmed. I'm a consultant physical therapist. I'm an exercise physiologist and I'm a gynae rehab specialist. I'm working as a consultant physical therapist at Physiofit Blue Area Islamabad and at Nazir Hospital, Peshawar Road, Rawalpindi. So we are offering services related to physical therapy and I have been working since 10 plus years. I've also worked at Shifa International Hospital and we have been treating patients like frozen shoulder and sciatica and back pain. These are the common physical therapy services we are providing, but we are also offering specialized physical therapy services जिसमें हमारे पास गायनी रिहेबिलिटेशन भी आ रही है. और गायनी रिहेबिलिटेशन I'm happy to announce that this is the first physical therapy center in Islamabad that who is offering gynae rehab specialist services. अगर आपको गायनी रिहैब स्पेशलिस्ट सर्विसेज चाहिए तो हमारे पास उसके अकॉर्डिंग वी हैव मशीन्स, वी हैव टूल्स जो कि टोटली कम्प्लीटली इसको रिलेट करते हैं. गायनी रिहैब में क्या क्या सर्विसेज आ सकती है? इसमें एंटीनेटल एंड पोस्ट नेटल सर्विसेज आ सकती है. एंटीनेटल इज़ ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी एंड पोस्ट नेटल इज़ आफ्टर प्रेगनेंसी. So the rehabilitation you really need during pregnancy, it is also available here, and we have different packages in which you can enroll yourself, and we have a great team who can assist you with rehabilitation throughout your pregnancy and throughout your journey. So after delivery, whether it is a C-section or vaginal delivery, if you are suffering from some postpartum issues like you have diastasis recti, you are suffering from pelvic floor muscles weakness, or any other thing that includes sciatica or any other thing, so we are also providing that services. If you want to book an appointment, you can book through Mednice, and you can just contact us from the given number which are given below. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I am Dr. Fahim, a sports physiotherapist at Physiofit Clinic. I have done my DPT degree in 2021 from Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto Medical University, and after that I have done my master degree in sports physiotherapy in the end of 2024. हमारे पास बहुत सारे डिफरेंट टाइप के पेशेंट आते हैं, लेकिन जो मेरी स्पेशलिटी है वो एज अ स्पोर्ट्स फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट है, जिसमें हम डिफरेंट टाइप के डिफरेंट कंडीशन के पेशेंट ट्रीट करते हैं, लाइक हैमस्ट्रिंग स्ट्रेन्स, ACL इंजरी, PCL इंजरी, शोल्डर डिसलोकेशंस और रनर या जंपर नी. तो बहुत सारे ऐसे पेशेंट आते हैं जिसको हम ट्रीट करते हैं. उनके लिए हम डिफरेंट टाइप के प्रोटोकॉल्स फॉलो करते हैं, जिसमें हम इलेक्ट्रोथेरेपी यूज़ करते हैं, मैनुअल थेरेपी में डिफरेंट टाइप के एक्सरसाइज हैं. वो फिर डिपेंड करते हैं पेशेंट के कंडीशन पे कि हाँ वाकई वो इज़ अ स्पोर्ट्स या स्पेसिफिक पॉपुलेशन से या जनरल पॉपुलेशन से. आई हेल्प पेशेंट रिकवर्स फ्रॉम पेन, इंजरीज and movement restriction through personalized rehabilitation and evidence-based physiotherapy care. Whether you are dealing with musculoskeletal condition, pain or need any guidance, I am here to support your recovery journey. अगर आप Physiofit के सर्विसेज अवेल करना चाहते हैं तो आप Mednice के थ्रू अपॉइंटमेंट बुक कर सकते हैं और नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे आप रब्ता कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.
Hi, I'm Dr. Thompsina. I'm a physical therapist. I have 4 years of clinical experience. I have graduated from Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto Medical University, and I've also worked in National Institute of Rehabilitation Medicine. I'm working in Physiofit since last 4 years as a physical therapist, and we've been treating patients with musculoskeletal injuries, with neurological conditions, sports injuries. Our focus is not just to treat pain, but on the long-term improvement and long-term functional outcomes of the patients. If you want an appointment with us at Physiofit, you can book an appointment through Mednice, which is an online platform, or you can contact on the number given below.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Nagina and I'm a physical therapist with over 3 years of experience. I have done my DPT degree from Shifa Amir Millat University. I have also worked in Federal Government Polyclinic Hospital. In Physiofit, I am working since last 1 year, and at Physiofit, we have been treating patients with many conditions, from musculoskeletal conditions to neurological conditions. We have also treated patients with geriatric problems, pediatric conditions. Physiofit, we treat patients with great care and help patients get back to their normal life. If you want to avail our services at Physiofit, you can book an appointment through Mednice by the number given below.